Welcome aboard Crown Credit. Congratulations on signing up and taking this step. Now, if you're watching this, I'm assuming that you want to complete the onboarding, so I'm going to show you how to go through that. So once you sign up and you've received the text that your Crown Credit account is ready, the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to your email that you have on file with us. Now, if you don't see the email in your inbox, make sure to check your spam. So you should receive two emails. One will be to download the mobile app, and the other one will be to log into your Crown Credit portal. So depending on how you want to do the onboarding, you can do it online or you can do it through the app. I'm going to show you how to do it online during this video, and in the next video, I'll show you how to do it through the app. So here online, you just click on this email. It'll look something like this. Your name will be at the top, and then when you scroll down past the paragraphs, you'll see client portal login, the email that you have on file with us, and the password, and then a big button that says portal login. Below that will actually tell you the steps: sign your agreement, the documents, credit monitoring, sit back and relax. What you're going to do is get the login, these two, and then hit the big blue button, portal login. Once you hit that, it's going to take you to this page. On this page, all you want to do is log in to your account. Obviously, you'll know your email and then the password that's assigned to you. And this is actually the corporation account for when we get our H Corps, we use this email. You'll hit login. This is the first thing you'll see is going to be the client agreement. With the client agreement, you can read through it. It has the standard things in there. And then at the bottom, it'll say sign. So you just name. That was terrible, but don't mind that. And check, sign agreement. So as soon as you've signed the agreement, it's going to take you to this page. This is the tab required steps. You see it here, required steps. My mouse is on it. There's also dashboard. When you go to your dashboard, it is going to say 000 because we haven't connected your credit monitoring yet. And once your credit monitoring is connected, then it's going to show your score. But when you're getting started, the first thing you want to do is required steps. Under required steps, these are the 3 documents that you want to upload. So your driver's license, all you have to do is click upload now, navigate to the picture of your ID, choose it, and then hit open. Is identification document? Yes. Upload file. And then you upload file. And it goes right in just like that. And then you do the next one for your proof of address. Same thing. And this can be a PDF also. I'm just going to choose this. That's fine. You can choose utility here. Upload file. And then one last step, which is going to be your social or your W-2 card. And same thing, just hit open and then hit upload file. And it works just like this. Now for these documents, for the driver's license, you can use your driver's license or you can use your passport. That's fine. For the proof of address, you can use a utility bill, phone bill, cable bill, bank statement, car insurance bill. There's so many options for the proof of address. The main thing that matters is that it has your name and it has your current mailing address on there for the bureaus. And then for this one, W-2 social security card, the social security card picture, that's going to be preferred. Now, if you do go the W-2 route, just try to make sure that you can find one that has your full social security number on it. The bureaus will use this to verify. And then lastly, order credit report. Now, this step is specifically for people who don't already have credit monitoring. Now, if you have credit monitoring already, you can just go to the next step to put in the details, but I'll show you that real quick. So order credit report. It's going to take you to My Free Score Now. This is our preferred partner for credit monitoring. All you have to do is sign up. It's going to charge you $24.97 like we talked about during the consultation. Through this, step 1, step 2, step 3, here you can use your normal email and then you create a password. Make sure to remember your logins because we will need that for the next step. So once you've completed this, I'm not going to go through this right now. Go back to your portal and then here you can put in your login details. Once you click that required steps button, and you go to credit monitoring login info, it's going to take you to my account page. Here you'll be able to see your personal info, and at the bottom will be your monitoring, credit monitoring. So if you sign up through My Free Score Now, you would just scroll through this list, click My Free Score Now, type in your username, which has to be an email for My Free Score Now, and the password, the one that you just created. Now, if you had credit monitoring already, you can choose the one that you had here. So if you had Smart Credit, My Score IQ, or Identity IQ, you can click on it, type in your name and password and the secret key. So the secret key by default going to be the last 4 for your social security number. Now, if you've changed it to something else, just type in whatever you've changed it to. Save. Oh, there we go. Save. And then checks all the way down. Now everything is done. The main thing that you want to do Lastly is go back, type in your social security number and your date of birth, let's say something like that, and your current address, whatever your current address is. Now, if you haven't been at that address for more than 2 years, type in your previous address, and then make sure to hit save changes when you do all this, because if you don't hit save changes, it's not going to work. And once you've done all of that, you're done, you're good to go. And if for some reason the video can't help you, just send us a text or call us and we'll be available to help you with it. Thank you very much. Have a great rest of your day.